Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 small screws on the right side of the call box. Remove the right side by lifting straight up to expose the left side assembly and mounting fixture. Align the D-shaped hole on the sign blade with the speaker on the left side assembly and the 2 hooks that are used to hold the sign blade in place. Ensure the speaker is properly seated. Then place the right side cover directly over the speaker slot and the 2 mounting holes. Push straight down and snap the right side in place. When properly seated, there should be no gaps between each side and the sign blade itself. If there are, gently squeeze to make sure everything is aligned properly. Once all gaps are closed, reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws.